Cut the cake, baby, cut the cake. Churu! Aww.
First of all, may I pray may this their marriage last, because at the end of the day, they are seeing all these ones now, just public validation that they find and make people talk say, oh, they are perfect for each other and blah blah blah. If Lamba na your brother, you go let them carry him pikin go that wedding to the point where we say the guy hold the pikin, they follow and they snap, they do this thing all in the name of me, they rub hand for Lamba face. Would you let them use your brother's child to go there? All these women for this comment section. Secondly, if this guy where they marry this girl now your brother, would you let him ruin his wedding? Do you understand? Because the wedding now is no longer about the guy, it's about the baby and what they were doing in the wedding. Would you let him ruin his wedding by carrying that baby to that wedding? And to this guy where hold this pikin, don't you feel somehow? Say you the one they drag pikin with person where still they alive. You won't claim person pikin where still they alive. Nobody say the guy no they active. The guy they active, we still they doing fatherly duty by sending money. You they sleep yourself in. Don't you feel someone carrying another person's sperm? You hold another person's sperm. Even so tell you even do one man play that one.
And I bonded so beautifully that she called me Dada.
So what's that supposed to mean? She called me Dada. What's that supposed to mean, bro? What's that supposed to mean? She called you Dada. Meaning, obviously she will call you Dada. She's a small child. But with time, will she call you Dada? No. She's not going to call you Dada. You are a second choice. That's what you are. He call you Dada. You are a second choice, for crying out loud, man.
Who be that person wey go release Verydarkman for chain where he dey? Better go put am back, cause this man I no come understand why she no like women. Anything wey concern women na so Verydarkman go just dey put mouth, dey open mouth while they drag women. All my people, Verydarkman don come again. He come dey chook mouth for where Queenmercyatang and her husband marriage dey. He come talk say why this man in husband go dey seize another man pikin dey call her daughter. Say he be second choice, he no get wetin anybody want tell am. Say he no dey shame, say he carry another person pikin come dey call am daughter. Come dey ask am why he even allow the mother to carry the pikin to their wedding. He no get wetin this Verydarkman no talk. He even point out to people, come dey ask them say if Queen husband na their brother, will they allow him to marry a single mother? Omo, this boy I don't understand why he no like woman, no, cause every time, every talk where they come out from your mouth, now women this, women that. I don't know, say for your other life, whether women do you shaggy. I mean, for this present life, women do you shaggy. Cause this thing, bro, it don't dey too much. My people, I go play the rest of the video. Make una hear wetin this guy talk. He talk a lot of things from his mouth, no be from my mouth. Una go hear that. I go play the rest of the video. Do well to grab popcorn. Watch wetin this guy talk to the very end. Make yourself drop your opinion. Do you think he's making sense or he's talking out of board? Write down for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more wenge news. Body still me girl Cindy on know as you dey do am for here. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. For this page now ogbonge news we dey share undiluted as in the cook am na so we dey carry con give una. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
These people see they drag this baby issue online. When I carry and go wedding, okay, all in the name of yes. I know, obviously, these people are obsessed with social media. It's obvious. That's what she wants. Talk. Now, waiting Lamba talk, they make sense. Do you understand? What he said makes sense. He said the only problem was that the girl wanted them to be posting the baby. He said no, that he does not want them to troll his baby. The girl said, okay, post me and the baby. Let it be like, okay, we are together. The guy said no, he never tell when me and you know. After a while, we feel they do this thing. Well, to Lamba, God will help you, no worry yourself. Just do your day first. Now this online we day, everything will later clear. Do you understand? The way you people are doing all these things as if the Lamba no gree accept the pikin. And to this guy, where hold this pikin, don't you feel somehow? Say you the one they drag pikin with person where still they alive. You won't claim person pikin where still they alive. Nobody say the guy no they active. The guy they active, we still they doing fatherly duty by sending money. You they sleep yourself in. Don't you feel someone call you Dada? You are a second choice, for crying out loud, man. If you carry another person begin they flex or party. Me, the only person I pity in all this situation is the child. It's the child, because there's no way this child is going to get a good parenting. There's no way. There's no way the child is going to get a good parenting. Because at the end of the day now, the media is already in question. The media already don't manipulate the pikin already first. Do you understand? Not talk of waiting if the girl herself gets sense, except if she gets sense before she go know how to manage them. But if she no get sense, she go later turn that pikin against Lamba, where be the original father. Do you understand? She go later turn the pikin against Lamba. And to that guy where the chingon person pikin, you get luck, say Lamba no be for Edo State, or don't go knock you one kind juju. Your eye go clear. And to people they think, see, this thing is not going to be easy for these two people. I just look them, they laugh. Carry another pikin, enter new marriage. You think it's easy? When the pikin not start to grow, you can't they born your own. When I can't start to look for a way, can't they sideline the pikin? It's not, if the guy can't start with all this kind of package, she's not even my biological child. We don't see all this one style, they happen steady. So to the women in the comment section, I look at you people and I laugh. Well, my own be said, I don't learn lessons from most of them. I'm learning a lot of lessons. Me, I'm not a mind Nigerian girl again. I don't change my mind. Before, I been don't change chooks on tribe. Well, I'm married from, but now I don't change my mind. Bless our mind from Congo, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Ghana. Anyways, y'all will learn. And you all will learn the hard way. With this one character, all these Nigerian girls, this one character, man, you better be wise, oh. You better be wise.